Hello, Jim Tech Buzz. Next up, we've got some speakers in from Edifier G2000 gaming speakers. This is the box comes in here, and it's USB stream audio and PC compatible, and that's it. Centric News Gaming. So on the back here, it'll give you a look of what to expect, what's on the back with ports and IOs, and your features: 2.75-inch full range unit with 16 watts RMS power output, column shade cabinet with backward mega bass port, 12 light effects, enhanced gaming experience, mechanical shift lever, easy to control volume, music, game and movie sound mode supported, Bluetooth, USB and sound card input available, and dedicated power adapter for stable safety power supply. So that's pretty much it there, written on the box in black and white. So let's have a look at them and see what they look like in the flesh, if we can actually get this piece of tape off on the top here. And see if there's anything else on the side worth talking about. So you can see some other specs there. You can pause if you want your power output, peak power and frequency response. And on the side here, it'll tell us a little bit more as well. You've got an active speaker, passive speaker, power adapter, USB cable, manual and audio cable. So it's all good talking about these things, but let's actually have a look at them, and then we'll take them and test them out in whatever capacity we can. So you get your usual books and stuff there. On top is your power adapter. You have got a USB connection here, 3.5mm connection as well, with cables, and of course the speakers themselves. So let's have a look. Right, pretty interesting. Just get all this plastic out of the way first of all, so we can have a better look at them. And that's one end, and we will get this one off here. So there we have it. So that's what they look like from the front. You've got G2000 written on the bottom. And you can see them guys there, if your rubber feet on the bottom. And on the back, so this is our satellite speaker. And you can see they have this colour effects here, which we'll check them out when we're reviewing them out for you. So you've got aux in, you've got sub out, DC in, and of course USB. So that's pretty much what you're going to get in the box when it comes to the hardware itself. So next up, what we'll do is we'll connect it all up, check it out and see what they are all about and how they look. And of course, for gamers and any kind of audio, how they sound. So stay tuned after the break for more. Hello, it's Jim and we're back, and we'll just have these powered up here. So we're just going to quickly show you what happens here. You can see you can change the colours, and you just hold in the button like so here, and you can see the colours that it's going to change to, like so. It's pretty cool. Your power on and off here, and a single
Movie
press
mode.
will change the mode.
Music mode. Game mode. Movie mode. Music mode.
So that's what you're going to get there, and then you just long press then to change the colour there to have a look at what you're going to get. And of course you can power on and off from up here too, just by simply long pressing. You get this noise as well, and then we power it up. And that's what you're going to get there. So next up, some samples. So on the side here you've got a mechanical shift leader which higher the volume. So this is just a sample now of it. It's turned down there now, it's going to turn up. So you just keep clicking up here, as you can hear, and you get to a max as there is there now. So next up we're going to give you a sample with the speakers on and then with them off to give you a difference of the sound quality. Okay, so here's a sample first with the speaker switched off. What you can see no lights or nothing like that, and that's what it's going to sound like through your TV. So after this, we're going to have the sound turned on with the lighting effects to show you the difference that you're going to get from these speakers. So here now you can hear the noise difference here with the speakers on. And of course you have the lighting effects here, which you can change just by pressing the button there like so. So the noise sounds quite remarkable and much better than your TV speakers, which are normal in general brutal. So just have a listen for a quick bit of gameplay here. It's just the game and sample, we'll have more after. So we're just setting up another audio offering for you here, and we're going to change the game. You can see that these do pulse as you play on and go through the motions and so on, which is pretty nice. So now here's a sample through the speakers yet again, playing a game of football there.
Possession lost, intercepted.
Really great sound. Sounds like you're actually there. Nice and clear, great clarity.
Of the current era, and you'd have to imagine, Stuart, he's going to have some sort of role to play in this one.
At the moment, he's playing with great confidence. Every time he gets the ball, he looks like he's going to score.
So here's the sound of the speakers now coming through rather than TV, and it's quite good sound. Really high definition. Sounds really good and makes it a bit more immersive, if you will. Also on the side here, you've got your button here to change your input modes, which is simply pressing here.
USB input.
USB.
Aux input.
Aux.
Bluetooth input.
Bluetooth.
USB input.
And USB input there. So you can see there what happens with that too on the side control. So next up, we are connected to our PC with cable. So we're going to show you what it sounds like without the speakers connected. Tech posting video today because the new Edifier 2U Series the X3 stereo wireless earbuds, and you come in this nice packaging here. Next up, connected to the speakers, and wait to hear the difference in sound here. And you can see we are connected obviously with the lights switched on there. Doing tech posting video today because the new Edifier 2U Series the X3 stereo wireless earbuds, and you come in this nice packaging here, which is different. Looks really well with the two-tone effect. You've got a nice presentation as well. So finally we're going to connect to a smartphone. So initially these speakers are ideal for anyone at home. You can use them connected to your TV, your game console, your laptop and your mobile phone. So if you want to blast out some sounds, you can use these as well for that. So they're multifunctional, not just tied to one piece of equipment. So let's have a listen to some samples from a phone next, which is quite loud. So let's go. that just about sums up the Edifier G2000 speakers, which are really, really cool. Although they are designed or aimed at gaming speakers, they can be used in much more instances, as I mentioned earlier on. So you can use them for your gaming, which you would have seen in the sample earlier, on your PC, on your phone, and connect away and blast out the sounds. They're pretty loud for a small set of speakers, and they have a nice deep tone to them as well. So that wraps it up for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.